So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to prepare pineapple wine. Yes, so guys, this wine was so refreshing. Yes, so if you have been buying pineapple wine from the shop, stop buying it. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own. Very simple and easy. Yeah, with only one thing. Yeah, your pineapple. Yeah, so guys, this pineapple has been washed very well. Yeah, so I'm going to start by cutting and peeling it. Yeah, I'm going to use my own style of cutting pineapple. Yes, so this is how I cut my own, or I handle my pineapple. Yes, so I'm going to cut it first before I peel it. Yeah, this is how I do my pineapple. So you're going to peel the skin off. Yeah, and after you are done peeling, remove the cord. Yeah, the hard cord from it. Yeah, so let's peel the pineapple together.
Sizzles and pops, a sprinkle of herbs that never stops. The joy of creation in every stir. In Lady Britannia's kitchen, magic does occur. The aroma of garlic sizzles and pops, a sprinkle of herbs that never stops. The joy of creation in every stir. In Lady Britannia's kitchen, magic does occur. Taste the joy.
And guys, with the size of the pineapple, or the quantity you are going to get from the wine depend on the pineapple you're using, or the amount of wine you want to make depend on the pineapple that you will use. Yeah, this my pineapple was very large. It was very big. Yeah, so it depends. Yeah, so I cannot say maybe use 2 or 3. It depends the amount of wine you want. Yeah, will determine the number of pineapple you're going to use. Here with mine, because I was just doing it for myself, I use only one. But if you want to do it for like a party or maybe anything occasional, you can use as much as you want. Here, so this is after cutting and peeling the pineapple. Here, so now we are going to be blending here. So I'm going to be using my food processor. Please don't add any water. You know, pineapple has its own water, so you don't need any water. But because this pineapple wasn't sweet, I'm going to be adding a little bit of honey. Guys, let me know, is this pure honey? Amazon told me this is pure honey. I wanted pure honey. I ordered it, and guys, this is what I got. So let me know, is this pure honey? I know pure honey is always like liquidy, but this is how it is here. I don't know, but what can I do? I have to make good use of it here. So I'm going to be blending this here until it's very smooth, or very smooth. So as you can see, at this point we are done blending. So now we are going to be straining to get the water out here. With this process you need only the liquid or the water here. So we are going to be straining. I'm going to be using my cheesecloth here. So if you don't have any cheesecloth, you can use any clean cloth that you have that you can use to strain here, because you want to get the juice here. You don't want the food of the pineapple, you want only the juice here. So make sure you get cheesecloth here. This is what I'm going to be using here. So at this point, this is what we got here. So we are going to be straining it, and we are going to be getting as much as we can here. So this is what I use. This is the cheesecloth I use to strain everything drinkable. Yes, so as you can see, I'm going to be just squeezing the juice out. I'm going to be squeezing as much as I can. Yes, so make sure you get a lot of the juice out here by pressing it here, the same way you see me doing here. This is very simple and easy. Stop buying wine outside. And guys, let me know in the comment section which other wine do you want to see on the channel here, because I have a lot of wine coming out. Yes, so if you want to see different wine, let me know in the comment section here. But guys, should be non-alcoholic because I don't do alcohol here. So as you can see, this is what we got. So now I'm going to be using this jar here to ferment it here, guys. I don't have a wine bottle. I've tried to look for some to buy, but I have not found any, so I'm going to be using this bottle. So guys, you are going to be leaving this for 7 days here, depending on how you want your wine to ferment here. If you want it to ferment very well, leave it for 21 days. 21 days. Me, I don't like anything anything gas. I don't want it here, so I'm going to be fermenting it for only 7 days here. And guys, if you are doing it for 21 days, the bottle you are going to use, make sure you get something to lock it, because as it ferments, if you don't take it, the pressure will open it. Yeah, this is the reason why I use this tape to cover it, so that you guys can see, because mine didn't ferment that much here, because I don't want it to ferment very much here. So if you want to see the gas out, make sure you ferment it for 21 days here. That's when you open it, you will see the gas coming out here. That's here. So this is how it's looking here after fermenting for 7 days here. So now we are going to serve it and enjoy. Guys, this was so delicious. It was yummy. So stop buying wine outside, instead make your own at home. Very simple and easy. With this, you can serve it chilled or how you want it here. You can serve it with ice. I don't have enough ice in my freezer, so I got only 2 ice, so that's what I'm going to be using. And guys, here in the UK it's cold, so I don't need too much ice. And guys, this was so delicious. It was yummy. It was refreshing, guys. I have a lot of wine coming out here as I'm doing this video. I have one that I'm fermenting here that I'm going to be sharing. So as I said, let me know in the comment section which other wine do you want to see on the channel. Let me know in the comment section. At this point, guys, we are going to be enjoying it. Guys, you will see from my face how this wine is looking, whether it's good or not. You see from my face, guys, it was yummy. You see the banana wine that I didn't enjoy the banana wine like the way I enjoy this pineapple wine. Guys, it was so refreshing, guys. It was I don't know, this was 10 out of 10 out of 10. Yes, guys, it was yummy. It was refreshing, guys. So let me know in the comment section, as I said, which other wine do you want to see here. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you.